Hello everyone, myself Raghav.
Hello, I am Ria.
Hi, I am Astha Kalra.
Hello, I am Shaurya Verma, student of the Bhoomi Group of Institutions Saharanpur.
Currently, I am pursuing B.Tech final year.
I am pursuing B.Tech, specializing in CSE branch.
Currently, I am doing my BTech in Computer Science.
And currently I am pursuing in Polytechnic.
College providing me the free IT and development skill course.
My college is providing free of cost training.
Bhoomi is a very reputed college in Saharanpur. My college provided me a training in Python fundamentals, which honed my technical skills in Python.
College is providing us free training of Python fundamentals, which have the great values in our upcoming growth.
I am thankful to our college for this opportunity to learn new skills.
And I am very thankful to our college for providing this course free of cost.
I am very grateful to our institutions for providing free of cost training. I am sure it will really helpful for me for future endeavors.
And with the support of college, I am gaining the valuable insights and the hands-on experience. So I want to express my gratitude towards my institution for providing me the free programming training course. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.